If you're starting class 11th chemistry, this one video will give you a clear roadmap of every chapter in NCERT Part 1. Subscribe. Chapter 1. Some basic concepts of chemistry. In Chapter 1, you will build the foundation, what matter is, basic laws of chemical combination, Dalton's atomic theory and the mole concept, the math behind formulas and the reaction stoichiometry. Practically, you learn how to convert masses to moles, calculate empirical and molecular formulas, and solve reaction-based problems. This chapter sets up the calculations you will use across the whole year. Chapter 2. Structure of atom. Chapter 2 takes you inside the atom, subatomic particles, proton, neutrons, electrons, atomic and mass numbers, isotopes and isobars, and the historical models from Rutherford to Bohr to the modern quantum view. You will practice simple electronic configurations and understand why different models are used for different type of equations. Chapter 3. Classification of elements and periodicity in properties. In Chapter 3, you study the periodic table, how elements are arranged by atomic numbers, and how properties vary across periods and down groups. Accept trends like atomic ionic radii, ionization enthalpy, electronic affinity, and electronegativity, and learn how these trends explain reactivity and bonding patterns. Chapter 4. Chemical bonding and molecular structure. Chapter 4 explains why atoms stick together, ionic, covalent, and coordinate bonds, polar versus non-polar bonds, and the theories that predict molecular shape, VSEPR and basic valence bond versus hybridization ideas. You will see how bond order and bond polarity affect physical properties and reactivity, and practice drawing simple Lewis structure and predicting molecular geometry, skills that are required in many problems. Chapter 5. Thermodynamics. Chapter 5 introduces energy in a chemical processes, internal energy, work, heat, and state functions. You will meet enthalpy changes, Hess law, and the idea of spontaneity through entropy and free energy at a beginner level. Expect numerical problems on enthalpy calculations and conceptual questions on what makes a reaction energetically favorable. Chapter 6. Equilibrium. Chapter 6 brings together reversible reactions and the condition of equilibrium, dynamic equilibrium, equilibrium constants for concentration Kc and pressure Kp, and Le-Chatter's principle for predicting how systems respond to stress. You will learn how to set up equilibrium expressions, do small approximations for weak equilibria, and apply Le-Chatters to shifts caused by change in concentration, temperature, or pressure.